Peace is not something you need to find outside yourself, it already lives within you. But sometimes, mental blocks, limiting beliefs, and overthinking cloud that natural calm. Think of your mind as a clear river. Over time, rocks, branches, and debris or doubts, fears, and stress start to block its flow. Inner peace doesn't come from controlling life. It comes from removing these inner blockages. Today, I'll share with you how to recognize those blocks, release them, and allow your natural state of peace to shine through. Shifting perspective. To break through a mental block, you don't fight it, you shift how you see it. 1. Awareness. Pause and notice what thoughts keep repeating. For example, I can't relax until everything is perfect. 2. Question it. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Or is it just a habit my mind learned? 3. Replace it. Gently shift the thought into one that supports peace. Instead of I can't relax, try, peace comes when I allow myself to breathe in this moment. This isn't about forcing positive thinking. It's about choosing a thought that feels lighter and opens space inside you. Simple practices to break through blocks. Here are 3 simple practices you can use anytime you feel blocked. 1. The breathing reset. Close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And exhale fully. Do this 3 times. This instantly clears mental tension. 2. Write it out. Take a journal and write down exactly what your mind is saying. Most of the time, the block loses its power once you see it on paper. 3. Shift into the body. Stand up, stretch, or shake out your arms. Movement helps release the stuck energy behind a mental block. Visualization for inner peace. Close your eyes and imagine a calm river flowing gently. See the rocks and branches, your mental blocks floating away downstream. With every breath, the water becomes clearer and calmer. That river is your mind, naturally peaceful once the blocks are gone. Whenever you feel stuck, return to this image and remind yourself, peace is not something you earn. It's something you uncover. You don't need to fight your mind or control every thought. By becoming aware of your mental blocks, questioning them, and gently releasing them, you'll discover that peace was always waiting inside you. So the next time you feel stuck, remember, your inner calm is just one breath, one shift, one moment away. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little more peace today.